So here I'm installing the tile leveling system that I purchased from Amazon, and I'm using the plier that arrived with the tile leveling system from Amazon. Basement here, I just finished to tile here, like 1 day ago, okay? 24 hours already passed, and as you can see here, I use two type of tile leveling system. Okay, one of them is the yellow color and the other one is green color. The yellow, called the tile leveling system, sold in Amazon, is the most popular one. Okay, and the green one is company called Yufe, Y-U-F-E, I believe, and is the second best seller of Amazon. Okay, and the Yufe costs like $21, and the yellow one costs like $23. The leveling system, the yellow leveling system. So I just want to show you, I already finished to remove them here, so you can see here is all the clips, okay? And I use the wedges or the leveler here in order to complete this part of the basement. Okay, so I just want to compare between both of them to show you what is the advantage and disadvantage. But the first thing I want to show you is, here is a level, okay? If I put the level like that and I start moving it, you can see there is no leakage. Really no leakage. So I can go here, okay, and you can see here no leakage whatsoever. And also, if you look how level it is. So both tile leveling system work properly with no issue of slippage whatsoever, and the tiles I use here is 18 by 18. Okay, it's a large tile, and believe me, without this leveling system, it's going to be difficult and take more time to make sure there is no leakage. Okay, and you can see I can actually continue, move it and move it, no leakage whatsoever. So the second thing is, what is more important is when to remove it. What is the difference between these tile clips? So that's what I want to show you here. Okay, so let's see on the clips of these tile, and we'll look also on the leveler. I call the leveler, there is two type of leveler. You can see here's the yellow one and this is the green one, okay? So let's see what is the difference between both of them. So the first thing I want to show you is that both of them arrive with a plier here, as you can see. And guess what? This plier really look similar. It's look almost the same, really. I didn't see any problem with them. And these the red one come with a UFE system, and this one coming with the yellow leveling system, the most popular one. But really both of them are the same. I like this one better a little bit, but I didn't see any difference really between both of them. So either that one is a little bit better or not, I'm not sure. So for me, I think both of them are the same. Now if you look, really interesting, if you look on the clip, on the leveler, okay? So you can see that the green leveler is a little bit wider, okay? A little bit wider, and is also, if I put it here, is a little bit longer, okay? So that is advantage on the yellow system, okay? Don't look at that, that is the Home Depot one. Look at that, if you compare it to Home Depot QEP, it's garbage really in comparison with that. it won't work. That's for probably good for small tiles. Okay, now let's go and see the clips, and that's really interesting. This one belong to the UFE. Okay, you can see the difference here. That is the one that belongs to UFE. It's 116. I put it in purchase 116 width. Okay, that's the width is 116, and this is belong. It's 1/8 of an inch belong to the yellow tile system. So this belong to this. This belongs to the yellow, and this one, as you can see here, belong to this. Now this is interesting because I use both of them, and guess what? It doesn't matter. This one, you can use it in the yellow and in the green, which means you can use it for both companies. And that one, the same thing, you can use for both companies. But there is some slightly different here, and I want to show you. Okay, here I want to show you, here you can see I use the green, which is the UFE company, with the clips that belong to the yellow company, to the leveling company. And I want to show you other stuff here. So if you look here, you can see here I use the yellow with the clips of the UFE, the green. You can see here there is no hole. And here I use the UFE with his clips. Okay. So what I'm saying here, the clips of both companies suit each other. Okay, but there is a little bit different in the clips. When you close it, you see what happening here? When you close it tight, this one become bend a little bit. This is the green one. It's bend a little bit. Okay, while the one that belong to the yellow company, here it is, it doesn't bend. Here's the one, the clip that belong to the green company, to the Yofi company. You can see it's bent when you press it. So I don't know if it's good or not. Somehow I like this one better than the Yofi. But both of them work properly, and you achieve the lippes, which means no lippes in the tiles. Okay. So now let's see again the clips. What is the difference between clips? Okay. Here's the clips of the yellow. That belong to the yellow. Okay, you have a hole here, which I don't understand why it should be, but somehow you make it more stable. This is the one that arrived with the green one, with no holes here. The base look very similar. If you look at the base of both of them, I put here the base. This is the yellow one, and this is the Yofe one, okay? And remember one thing, it's interesting. The base of both of them are very similar, or it's the same thing. Okay, so the other thing I want to tell you is they arrive with 300 clips, both of them, and I believe with 100 leveler wedges. So you need to order more clips for sure if you want to have a big area, like my area. So here you can see I order another 500 clips here, and they coming, these clips, if you look carefully on them, let me see here, if you look carefully you can see these clips, it's actually the one that come with the yellow, with the leveling system, the yellow, the most popular one on Amazon. But guess what, these clips can easily go with the green, with the Yofe one, and I believe the Yofe also selling these clips with the hole. So in my opinion, both of them are equivalent. There is no really different whatsoever. There is an advantage on the green one that is a little bit bigger and wider. So the Yofe, the leveler or the wedges, is a little bit bigger and wider, which is giving advantage. But the yellow arrive with, I believe, clips that a little bit easy to work with. I think, I'm not sure. For me, it was a little bit easy. So best thing I can tell you, both of them are working very good. Didn't have any problem to remove them, and I want to show you how I'm removing the yellow and the green with no issue whatsoever. Okay, so let me show you. So if we're taking these clips here that you can see, I'm just using the mallet here. You can see the mallet here, and gone, gone. So there's no problem whatsoever. Let's see how the yellow is going. So for the green, you can see there's no problem whatsoever. So here are yellows and green, okay? And let's see, I'm using this mallet here, you can see, and you can see very easy, I'm removing it with no problem using this mallet. Now you can actually go like that also with your legs, okay? Give an example. You see, very easy, also with your leg, but I prefer to use with these. You can kick it if you want. Mallet is the best. Let's see other example. So until now, we actually remove a leveling system only with the clips of the yellow one. Okay, so now we're going to remove a leveler with the clips of the Yofe company. Okay, the clips that doesn't have all on it. That's the one. No problem. No problem. No problem. So you can see how easy it is, and I can show you from close proximity how I'm doing it. So you can see here, here, and here. So very easy, nothing is stay here, nothing. Here is another one really that in somehow is, no, I never forgot to put here a leveler. So I can take a leveler here just to put it here to give him a power, and then it's gone. Here another one that I never use, gone. So as you can see, very easy to remove, no remaining. Look here, no remaining. Here is a little bit of something. Here I can find a little bit, but you can remove it with your hand. Okay, so you can see here, if you look carefully, here you can see the remaining, but it's actually under the tile. Nothing actually stay between the spacer. Here, let's look at that one. Nothing, really nothing. So what I'm saying, both of them are excellent, no problem whatsoever. To remove them, it's very easy, and you can reuse the leveler after that, and you can buy the clips also in Amazon for both of them using the same clips. So I'll put down the link that you can buy from Amazon. So I just remove all the tile leveling here, as you can see, and I mix them together. You can see I put the green of the Yofe and the yellow of the tile leveling system from Amazon together because they work with the same clips. So that's the advantage of them. The green and the yellow work with the same clips. So that's what I want to tell you, and remember, the performance of both of them for me is the same. There is no difference. The only difference is that the green one is wider and longer, so that's giving probably more powerful regarding the yellow. So that's the only thing that I found about it. The rest are the same and similar. Also the plier that I get, and here are the tiles of both of them. That is the Yofe one, this is the tile leveling system, the yellow one. And guess what, both of them are the same. There's no problem. I work with both of them are working, there's no problem whatsoever. I think they're manufactured by the same company. If you look here, you can see that it looks like the only difference is the color. but I felt a little bit more comfortable to work with this, with the red one, than the yellow one. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.